fire, labor, pension, merchant marine, houses, disruption 332. We see how Spain forests are burning because the governments don't put the preventive measures, but they also pay people for not working, and we need 4 million seafarers just in Spain. Imagine, those are direct jobs, but 40 indirect. Then we need also to solve the pension, because your pension, my pension, goes to someone else that gets my money today, so that is completely illegal. And then also we are having the situation that there is 50,000 government buildings. Each of them could have like 100 households. That's 5 million. Then if we have 4 members per house, that's 20 million people without the house today. But if we did take away this occupying force of government incompetent expense, 20 million people would have a house in Spain, number one. Number two, perhaps we could use AI to prevent fires, because yes, the fire people are just dying, but they cannot control these fires because you must work preventively. Same thing as this pension, same thing as this tax, and same thing as these households, and the same thing about this generation of 4 million jobs for merchant marine. So the only way we can get along this is to just have a huge disruption and occupy these 20 million people that have the right to use these 24 hours per day houses preventively. Cut these forests, because Spain is the biggest forest in Europe, well, the second biggest, and therefore it could really generate a huge revenue, because ecology always brings, like Ocean's Wave video I made, ecology always brings huge positive and life for perpetuity. Therefore it's something that we must invest, but these governments are really incompetent. So I hope that this disruption gets to good port, and thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.